Hey everyone, welcome back to Deal Hunters. This video is a question that's been asked a lot. It's probably one of the most common questions that we get asked. How do I start Amazon FBA? How do I source good products? How do I actually sell big brands on Amazon FBA? How is that even possible? We're going to go over some sourcing techniques in this video. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's understand the basics. When you're reselling big brands on Amazon, you're tapping into the brand power and existing customer experience. It's all about finding the right products within those big brands that have great potential. Now, let me show you some tools that can be game changing for your sourcing strategy. The first is BuyBot Pro, a powerful tool for product research. BuyBot Pro, or BBP, helps you find profitable products by analyzing sales data, reviews, provides historical pricing and sales rank data for all products on Amazon. It helps you identify trends and make informed decisions. Better yet, if you use our affiliate links down below, you will get not only a huge discount, you will actually also get 2 free weeks Deal Hunters, which is worth hundreds and hundreds of pounds. This is the best deal you will get for BuyBot Pro access. The next thing is Google Trends. Don't forget about the power of Google Trends. It gives you insights into the popularity of a product over time, helping you spot trends early. By utilizing these tools, you can actually make data-driven decisions. Navigating big brands on Amazon. All right, now you've got the kind of tools set up. How do you actually go about navigating big brands on Amazon? First thing you should do is check Amazon's restricted brands list. Make sure the brand you're interested in is not restricted for any third-party sellers. And this is crucial, guys. Firstly, delisting, anything like that. But more importantly, you don't want to be getting hit with any legal letters or issues like that. Use brand analytics. Amazon provides brand analytics for registered brand owners. It gives you insights into popular search terms, competitor products, and more. Build relationships, reach out to brand owners or distributors. Building relationships can open the doors to exclusive deals and insights for upcoming products. Navigating big brands requires a bit of finesse, but it's well worth the effort. Now let's move on to the most crucial step, finding authorized suppliers. Finding authorized suppliers is key to ensuring that you're sourcing genuine products and staying in compliance with Amazon's policies. Official websites. Start by checking the official websites of big brands. Many brands list authorized distributors or suppliers on their websites. Trade shows. Attend industry trade shows to connect with authorized distributors. It's a fantastic way to build relationships and explore potential partnerships. Wholesale directories. Platforms like ThomasNet and SaleHo can connect you to verified wholesale suppliers. Always ensure you're sourcing from authorized suppliers to maintain the quality and legitimacy of your products. You don't want to be selling anything that is counterfeit. You will get your account banned. You want to be selling everything legit. That's how you sell big brands. And better yet, we have a course completely designed to show you everything you need to start Amazon FBA wholesale, and it includes a list of 200 suppliers. And there you have it. It was a guide to hopefully answer that question, a bit of a tip on how to actually source good products online for your Amazon FBA business, not doing private label, completely based on selling genuine big name brands on Amazon. If you require any further guidance, you can drop your comments down below, request any type of videos. We're hoping to bring more of these types of videos out that sort of answer people's questions. But better yet, join our free Discord. The link is down below. You will get tools, free access, giveaways, free deals, and as well a support network of like-minded people to help you start your journey today. Happy sourcing hunters. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.